Alright, so let's try this luncheon meat. Tulip. Um, it's not really as pricey as spam, but some folks claim that its flavor is somehow, yeah, a little bit closer to spam. So let's try cooking this one, and tasting it, and eating it. All right. Right. So first, let's open this up. Yeah. Here's the key. Let's open one can. Uh-huh. All right. So let's open one can. Ooh, yeah. There we go. Let's use the key. We have to take this off. There. And we'll try to find this little notch in here. Let's open it. Okay. See it? It's quite dark here in the apartment, but it's okay. All right, here we go. It's opening up. Oh. Oops. There. So I have a bowl here to catch it in case it falls. Wait up. Oops. Almost there. Voila! There you go. And then you have to put this here. Wow, look at that oil. And then I'm gonna slice it and cook it, and we're gonna eat. All right? Yeah. All right, people. So I'm just trying to fit in the frame. So here's this luncheon meat, and I'm gonna slice it using a fork and a slicer. Yeah. Wow. Thin slice. Oops. I'm not really good at this, but yeah, I'm trying. There. Yeah. I don't mind if it's uneven or what. 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, 13. 14. Oh, let's try to make it to like 16 slices. Oh, come on. Come on. Yeah. All right. So, there. All right. So there. I have some like 16 slices of this tulip, and we're gonna fry this. And then, of course, I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna eat. All right. So this pan is heating up. I get some oil here, and yep. Okay. Let's open this up. All right. Let's put some heating up. I get my wooden ladle here. Okay, so it's time to cook this. Some tulip luncheon meat. Alright, I can also use this to flip this over. Okay. Go. You just need to flip them so they will cook even. There, it's turning brown now. Yeah, you might as well cover it so the heat will cook it a little bit faster. Yeah, let it sizzle, bedazzle, bedazzle. Just gonna part it a little. Yeah. All right. Yeah. And we got one more. Just gonna use a fork. Yep. There you go. Well, that's our last batch of luncheon meat slices. So just wait until everything is well cooked. Yeah, let's flip them. Let's flip them one by one. Okay. There you go. Beautiful. Let's press it. Really sizzling hot. Alright, so I think that's it. It's time to take them out. Yeah. Last one. Oops. Whoops. There. Yeah. This one's it. Okay. Wow. Last one. All right. There you go. Alright, so I'm done cooking. Look. Wow. And now it's time for us to eat. Yeah, I bought some rice too. Yeah, yeah. Now let's try one. It's good. Really tastes good. Now I think I can finish this like one can Tulip. Hmm? There. Okay. Uh, hmm. It's actually good. So there. Let's eat and let's have a great time.